Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Are you tired of seeing your child's desk cluttered with pens, pencils, and paper everywhere? Today, we will show you how to organize your kids' stationery in a fun and effective way, making study time more productive and enjoyable. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be diving into a practical guide on organizing stationery for kids. A well-organized desk not only looks appealing but also helps children focus better on their desk. Let us get started. Number 1. Assess the stationery collection. First assesses what you have. Gather all the stationery items from different places, the desk, drawers, backpack, and any other nooks where they might be hidden. Spread everything out on a table and categorize them into groups: pens, pencils, markers, erasers, sharpeners, rulers, scissors, and so on. This gives you a clear picture of what needs to be organized. Declutter. Next, it's time to declutter. This step is crucial. Check for items that are broken, dried out, or duplicates that your child doesn't need. Get rid of dried out markers, pens without ink, broken crayons, and any stationery that's no longer usable. You can also decide on a limit for certain items. For example, maybe 10 pencils are enough and the rest can be stored away for future use or donated. Sort and group similar items. Now that you have a manageable amount of stationery, sort and group similar items together. Place all the pencils in one container, all the pens in another, and so on. This helps in keeping things organized and easy to find. Use small containers or trays to separate different groups. You can repurpose small jars, cups, or every DIY organizers made from cardboard or plastic containers. Choose the right storage solutions. Choosing the right storage solution is key to keeping things organized long term. For desk drawers, use drawer organizers or small boxes to keep items separated. For the desk surface, consider a stationery caddy or a small organizer with multiple compartments. Label each compartment or container so your child knows exactly where each item belongs. Labels can be written, or you can use pictures of younger kids who can't read yet. Utilize wall space. Don't forget about wall space. Wall organizers or pegboards can be incredibly useful for storing stationery without taking up desk space. Use hooks and shelves or having pouches to keep frequently used items within reach. This not only keeps the desk clear but also makes the space more visually appealing. Create a system for papers. Papers can quickly become overwhelming. Use file folders or binders to organize different types of paper, such as homework, art projects, and notes. Label each folder clearly and teach your child to file the papers as soon as they're done with them. A small filing cabinet or a portable file box can be a great investment for keeping papers organized. Teach and maintain the system. Organize is just one part of the process. Maintaining it is equally important. Teach your child to put things back in their designated spots after using them. Make it a fun routine, perhaps with a little cleanup song or a reward system. Regularly check the organization system and make adjustments as needed. Remember, the goal is to make it easy for your child to keep their space tidy. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can transform your child's desk into an organized, clutter-free space that promotes creativity and productivity. Remember, the key to a successful organization system is consistency and making it easy for your child to maintain. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Organizing stationery can seem like a daunting task, but with a little planning and creativity, it can be a fun and rewarding project for both you and your child. Happy organizing! Take care and bye-bye.